smell something. Good morning. I'm Kathleen Pate, and welcome to my Alabama farm life. It is turning out to be an absolutely beautiful day. I'm out here at the little field and the sun is up above the trees. We got a late start today. We had to do our grocery shopping. I pulled up my weather app and it looks like we're gonna have 2 days of beautiful weather. Fingers crossed. If the weather holds up like I'm hoping, I plan to get a lot done. So today's plan is to finish cleaning up the area around my newly built compost pile. And then, if I have time, I need to start working on my greenhouse. For some reason, I keep missing the path. I don't remember being this thick, but it's really kind of nice out here this morning. Come on, Justice. All right, that was my little excursion into the woods. We didn't go very far. I'm not carrying, so even this close to the house, I need to be careful. But me and Justice, we're gonna head back and we're gonna start working. Well, my little hens have found a place to lay, and they're going to be upset with me when I get out here and start cleaning up. But I really do have a lot to do today. I'm going to start over here and find places for these things. And I guess I'm going to need to break those down and get the nails out of them and just do some pretty basic cleaning, tidying up, I guess you can say. I have all the broken pallets over here on my wood pile. I have a broken fence, several sections here. I've already broken up a few, but I'm gonna have to get out here with a hammer and a crowbar and start working on getting this wood separated and all the nails out. I feel like I've only been out here for a little while, but I've gotten a lot done. I'm feeling much better about it. This area over here that used to be, or this area over here that was in front of the truck that I just cleared out, those pallets were stacked there. My late father-in-law used them, or this area, as his potting station. He had all kinds of soil and peat moss, and I forget what that white stuff's called. And this is where he potted his little seedlings and his plants, and it's been neglected for many years, so it was way past time to get this area cleaned up. So like I said, I'm really feeling good about it now. Because it's such a beautiful day, I'm gonna go ahead and let the chickens out early. Come on, everybody out. Get out of there. Oh. Of course I let him out and I left the door open. All right, I got the fence back up to keep them out of my compost pile, so it'll be safe. I just came back from a break. I was inside and I did a little research while I was in there. I said I couldn't remember what the white stuff is that I threw in the compost pile, but it's perlite. And then I started thinking, well, is it poisonous for my chickens? And no, it's not. So that's good. And then I went and researched, is it good for my compost pile? And yes, it is. It actually keeps your compost pile smelling fresher, and you come out with a better compost. So I'm very happy to learn that. I was very pleased. So I was really afraid I was going to have to come back out here and dig all this up. But it's fine, and it's going to stay that way. The sun's starting to go down. It's almost time to feed the chickens and put them away. They've been running around like idiots enjoying the sunshine. They're going to be a pain to put up tonight. Whenever it's nice and sunny, they never want to go in. But I'm going to go ahead and call this the end of this video. I got a lot accomplished today. I'm feeling really good about it. It looks a lot neater, tidier, and a safer place to walk around in. I still have a lot to do in this area. I still need to work on that huge wood pile that doubled in size. And I have a lot of PVC pipe and some other wood that I need to do something with. But that's gonna have to wait for another day. So thanks for coming by. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I hope that you find my videos interesting enough to come back and visit with me and my dog and my chickens. So you guys have a great day.